Hello and welcome to my channel ResearchNet. Today we will learn how to write equations in Microsoft Word. For that we need to open Word file first. In Word file we will know how to write the equations in three methods. For that you need to go to Insert toolbar. Under Insert toolbar you will find equations here. Under equations you will see some predefined equations are there in MS Word. If your equation is exactly same as those predefined equations, you can click here, and if you want to modify those equations, you can change. Suppose you want to write a here in x, just delete it and write a. Here also if you want to write uh, 5, you can write here 5. Again, more equations you can find under Insert toolbar. Under Equations, more equations from Office you can see here. Many more predefined equations are there. Suppose you want your equations is exactly same as these equations, you can click it and bring it in the page. If you want to modify the thing, you can modify. Suppose you want to write 5 in presence of e, you can simply delete it and write 5. Okay. And in the second method you can write the equations. For that we have some equations. We will bring it from a pictures. We will write those equations here. Suppose E equals to mc square. For that you need to go insert, then under equations you have inc equations here. So you can write the equations here. Suppose E1 equals to m1 c1 square you want to write. Suppose you want to write with your mouse E1 equals to, you can erase those things if you write something wrong, and 1 c1 square, then click insert. You will see E1 equals to m1 c1 square. Again you can write this Taylor series also. Go to again insert equations, inc equations, f of x f of a plus f dash a x minus a. Here you can see the preview plus f double dash a by 2 factorial plus into x minus a whole square. Here you will see it looks like m. Then you can erase it and write x here. You will see the preview. Then click insert. See, f of x equals to f a plus f dash a into x minus a plus f dash. Here you can change it to double dash. You need to see the preview. See, here we write f dash 1, so you need to write the equations correctly so that you will get the equations. And in the third method, you can uh, go to insert toolbar. Under insert toolbar you will find equations. Here, insert new equations. Okay, so suppose you want to write e1 equals to m1 c1 square. You will find first e1. See, e1 here. You can write capital E, then 1 equals to m1 c1 square. You will find here suffix. In suffix you can write m suffix 1, then c1 square. You have to choose this one, so that c1 and then square you can write. See, m1 c1 square. In such way you can write the f double dash a by 2 factorial also. See, here f double dash a, how to write it? Here, suppose f double dash, sorry, f double dash a, right? So you need to select the bracket options first. You need to write f, then select this one first, f double dash, then bracket, choose this one. Here a divided by 2 factorial, 2 and factorial. In the same way you can write the whole equations here. So thank you.